so let's make asparagus in the microwave. Now first, all the ingredients: you need asparagus, a little bit of butter, you need a microwave safe bowl, you need some pepper, some salt over here, and then just a tiny bit of water and a lemon, which of course is optional, but it tastes delicious. Now the first thing you have to do here is actually either cut asparagus or you could break it like this. Now we recommend breaking it because it's actually going to leave the best parts to eat up top, and those are the parts we're actually going to cook because yeah, that's just how asparagus works. Now when you have these, you have to put them into your microwave safe bowl and spread them out evenly, and then after you've done that, we have to season them first with some pepper over here. I'm going to put on that first, and then we're going to put on a little bit of salt. Now of course it depends how salty you want these to be, so it's completely up to you. Just make sure you don't put too much. Then we're going to put on some butter, there we go, and then we're going to cover this with water. Now don't put too much water because you don't want it too soaked. We still want them a bit crispy, and then you want to put them inside the microwave over here. Now we put these on about 4 minutes. You'll be able to see if they need more or less, and it also depends on how thick they are. Now once you put them out, they should be looking something like this, but you have another option as well. You could also cover them and make them that way. It's completely up to you, whatever you want to do. And after this, actually take a fork and stick it into one of them or a few of them, and if they fall off, it means they're ready, but if they don't, put them in there for about a minute more. Now after this, you can put on your lemon juice in case you decide to do this. They're delicious that way, but whenever you put that over, make sure you actually put over the cover as well for a few minutes, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.